Just before the start, I would like to know whether the introduction will be covered here within the time frame or it is excluded.
Very good question. You will give that extra time for introduction, then you can start your presentation.
Okay, first I'll introduce, then I'll start the presentation. Very good morning to you all. I am Prashant Badigir from Linde Engineering India, and this is the topic which I am presenting it today. And with me, my process owner, Mr. Kalpesh Shah, who is also a delegate, who is part of this particular project, will be with me. And today I'm here to present this case which we have initiated in the Linde Engineering India. I think I'll be starting my presentation, sir. Yeah. So this is my project. The title is Reduction of Cost and Schedule of Static Equipment at India, Linde India. Just to start with this, that business background, because many of you people are not aware of the EPC background. So we are into EPC, engineering, procurement, and construction. Suppose a client gives our order for starting up a hydrogen plant, we do the engineering for them. If they need vessels, equipments, then we procure them and give it to the client. And if he wants that, please construct the whole plant and give it to us, then we do the construction. We are into EPC, and this is what we call it as a turnkey project. This is what we do. And it has been observed from the business background that an alarming observation was made, wherein that in past executed projects, we could not able to meet the schedule in time. The most of the vendors who were there were not able to meet the schedule. And the problem statement was like this, that vendors add contingencies, and the low-cost equipment fabricators were not in a position to, say, opt for this particular activities, what we do. And then vendors wait for some of the very petty things which are not required at that moment of time. This was also one. And then poor engineering capability, wherein that the review of drawings which used to be there was also delayed. And then at times the details were given, means for a want of minute details, people were giving a sort of lame excuse. This all happened when, because of this, that there was a delay in meeting the schedule. So as a result of that, then we felt that it's a high time. To give a background of this particular project, what we carry out in Linde Engineering is that they are spread for a 24 months, and within that 24 months, we need to give that plant to the client. And in that specific time, that the equipment, my whole project lies in a static equipment department, wherein that we take up the equipments like pressure vessels, columns, heat exchangers. So these part in the purview of static equipment. And here we are responsible for design as well as the equipment is ready and shifted to the site and it is commissioned. So this is the activity that falls in our territory. And this was the objective of the project, and it has been seen that most of the time the equipment was not ready. So that was an alarming observation, and then which drove us to go for this particular project. The goal of the project, if you see from the top, here is that the zero date, that the release of PO. So whenever the prospective vendors comes to us that we will supply the equipments to you, then we done, and then after that a successful vendor is given the purchase order, PO, and then he agrees that yes, I'll be able to deliver this equipment in time. That is a contractual delivery date which is mutually agreed between the two parties. And then it has been seen that we had the delay in meeting, that there was equipment was not actually ready here, but it was ready in this particular period. For some reasons, I'm not able to show the dates here. And then when we started working, then we had a goal. We had a discussion with our the managing director as well as the team of the procurement and the projects. Then we said that equipment should be ready on CDD without any this thing, because contractual delivery date it is mutually agreed, and which has been given a consent by the project manager also. So then this was the goal that we would like to have. And if you see here that we are reducing the lead time also, actually we are shifting it here. This is the reason because we thought of some ideas how best we can get this in place.